YouTube, I finally figured out how to stop the alternator squeal on my CUCV. I had to use a pulley off a tractor. It's a large diameter and it fits a 1/2 inch belt. And I got the pulley from DJ's Tractor Parts, and that's the part number right there, AB 1426D. It's for a 1/2 inch belt. And here's the belt I use from Tractor Supply. It's a 1/2 by 50. It's only 10 bucks, so it's $20 cheaper than the gates that everyone on Steel Soldier recommends that slips. But yeah, that's it. Pulley fits right on the alternator. No squeal.